You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buenos dias. We're going to be looking at how to say those two Spanish expressions and explain a bit what is the difference. So the top one is said as vamos, vamos. So the V is usually pronounced like a B in most Spanish-speaking countries and regions. Vamos. The bottom word, the bottom expression, it's said as vamonos. So you need an accent on the A to maintain the stress on the first syllable. Vamonos. You still stress on the first syllable. So both of those mean let's go. But if you're sort of saying let's go casually, you'd just say vamos. Now if you want to say let's go, but you really kind of want to insist and make the point that we really need to go, you'd say vamonos, meaning let's get out of here. I kind of don't like being here. Vamonos, meaning we need to go, or hurry up. Vamonos is what that means. Hurry up, we need to get out of here. Vamonos. If you just want to say, yeah, let's go, you just say vamos. Yeah, does that make sense? You could also say vamos que nos vamos, meaning we're leaving and we need to go. Anyhow, that's a different story. I hope it makes sense. I hope you got this. Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate the support, and more videos for you here to learn more Spanish pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.